India Textile Sourcing Fair. With the aim of catapulting India into global leader status in textile trade, the government under Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been working ardently to push innovation, technology, and education to boost the industry. India has one of the richest textile heritages in the world, which dates back to the dawn of civilization. Times have changed, but the tradition of excellence continues. India today is home to a modern, vibrant, and growing handwoven textile industry. The handloom sector is one of the largest unorganized economic activities and constitutes an integral part of the rural and semi-rural livelihood, engaging over 35 lakh people. Textile sector of India has seen large participation of women in rural India. The art of handloom weaving thrives across the north, south, east and west of the country, producing innumerable and unique varieties of products. In view of this socio-economic importance of the handloom industry, it has been identified as one of the priority sectors. Honorable Prime Minister had declared 7th August as National Handloom Day at a function held in Chennai in 2015. Today, on the 7th National Handloom Day, Handloom Export Promotion Council or HEPC under the Ministry of Textiles, Government of India is privileged to organize a virtual India Textile Sourcing Fair with the valuable support of the Office of the Development Commissioner Handlooms. This is an exclusive virtual event to showcase the traditional textiles of India. Over 4,000 designs from around 60 handwoven manufacturers, exporters, cooperatives, national awardees, clusters, and India Handloom brand holders from across India are on display at this virtual event. Over 100 international trade visitors are participating in the event. Various products like saris, stoles, scarves and shawls and other accessories, garments, dress materials and fabrics and carpets, etc. will be on display throughout the event. Focus countries at the event are Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Malaysia and Singapore. Buyers can access the virtual exhibition using the login credentials and the link provided to them. Categorization of exhibitors and product segments along with artificial intelligence-based matchmaking facilitate easy access to the right suppliers. The visitors can access company profiles, product catalogs, videos, galleries, and have one-on-one interaction with the exhibitors using multilingual text chat and video chat facilities on the platform. Buyers can also have prefixed one-on-one video meetings with the exhibitors of their choice. HEPC has organized several such meetings in the past virtual fairs. One can also witness various webinars, talk shows, and interactive sessions from homegrown handloom groomers. India's textile sector has immense inherent strength to make our handloom tradition the centerpiece of fashion for India and the world. This virtual event will showcase Indian textile sector's vibrancy, tradition, and diversity. Let us all come together and commit to further adopt and popularize handlooms in our lives. Wishing all the participants a successful event.